Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week ending today, 12/22 on Friday. All right, so let's get started. The week started on the 17th December, and this is one of the first one, pound Aussie, and the entry was previous Friday, which was 15th, and right there is the entry, and the trade was opened by the EA, right? This little arrow is there. So most of these trades you're gonna see it opened by my EA robot, right? So this is sell order here. A sell move to break even plus right from here and all the way down 90 pip on the 17th, and this is US oil going to the upside from 72 to 74 on the 18th. Now oil again going from here. This is a 40-minute entry here, and it's from 71.60 to 74. Again, US dollar, USD yen, UJ, buy order here, right? And 230 pip. Remember that news supposed to come out Tuesday, where the Bank of Japan wanted to make a decision that if they want to raise the interest rate or not. They decided not to, and yen started getting very weak, and I hit the jackpot, right? So 230 pip on UJ, pound yen 260 pip on the same day, and on the 19th AJ for 175 pip. All these trades you will see exactly at the same setup and taken by the EA, right? And New Zealand yen also beautiful by the taken by the EA buy order here. So sell move to break even plus is 155 pip. So these are the 4 yen that day yen trades I did on the back of that news. On the same day on the 19th, USD Aussie USD buy order. This pair moves very slow. You can see the daily range is only 65, so it moves 65 pip a day from bottom to top or top to bottom. So not much to make over there, right? So I hardly take the trade this pair. But again, this my EA just opened it, so I held it for a couple of days, and even after that, I have only 70 pip on this one. Gold went up big time. I had this chart that is going to go up, and it did. So that's what it is. US 30, long order here, all the way there on the 19th. And on the 19th, pound Aussie again start to drop here, and then sell order there, big time, 150 pip to the downside. Again, you can see this small arrow. That means my EA opened the trade. EA is right there. See, CT5 live, that's the one. Now this oil again going to the upside from 72.93 to 74.96. I had the chart. I posted on the Telegram that it's gonna bounce from here, and as long as if it stays above 72.48, take along. So that's what happened, and then that's what I did. Pound yen from 7-minute chart. This is just wanted to show someone that how to use the 40-minute and the 7-minute. So I just took this trade on the back of the 40-minute setup and made the entry from 7, only 50 pip, got out. That's how it is. Okay, USD yen dropping from this beautiful short setup here. You can see 90 pip on the 21st. And this is gold again going to the upside. Beautiful entry here. EA opened the trade 2033 to 2053 on the 21st. And this is US oil again moving to the upside from here. Beautiful by the book entry here. And entry is a little bit late, but it's still 74 to 74.84. And this one, EUR-USD small trade, 55 pip, taken on Friday. Friday is always like that, right? And still, this pair also has a very small daily range. The daily range is only 73, and on Friday it only moved 46 pip. So for that, So usually I don't trade this unless you have a big Euro news or USD news, which next week probably we're gonna have, and probably USD is gonna get strong. I have made the charts. I will make a lot of charts over the weekend. Saturday, Sunday for my subscribers. So if you want to learn how to trade, you want to get the system and learn how to trade like this, then go on my website, subscribe, and start getting the system, making the charts, set up all the charts, and then start trading like this. Right? And if you need to learn, you can sign up for one-on-one on my website. My website name is creativetradingsystems.com, and start learning. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos. The next video, probably not today, but maybe tomorrow, I will make and give you guys a few setups, nice and clean, 40-minute chart setup, so that you can take those trades on Monday on. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.